Tired of dealing with messy charging cables all over your desk or bedside table? In today's video, we're checking out some amazing 3-in-1 charging stations that can charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at the same time. From fast wireless charging to compact foldable designs and MagSafe support, these gadgets make charging cleaner and more convenient. Stay till the end to find the perfect charging station for your setup, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have KEEPRO 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Charge all your essential devices effortlessly with this foldable 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging station designed for iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, delivering fast 15 watts magnetic charging for compatible iPhone models while simultaneously powering Apple Watch Ultra, SE, and Series models along with AirPods and AirPods Pro devices, supported by a 20 watts USB-C PD charger and cable included for optimal charging performance, featuring wide compatibility with MagSafe-enabled iPhones and other wireless charging devices for flexible everyday use. Designed with a slim, foldable, and space-saving structure along with adjustable charging modules that let you find the perfect viewing angle whether at home, work, or traveling, enhanced with multi-intelligent safety protection including over-voltage, over-current, temperature control, and short-circuit protection to safeguard battery health and ensure secure charging, making it a convenient, reliable, and travel-friendly all-in-one charging solution. At number 2 we have Acer 3-in-1 charging station. Experience ultra-fast 15 watts wireless charging, delivering maximum speed power to your essential devices, fully aligned with original MagSafe technology. It offers 5 watts charging for earbuds and 3 watts for watches. Versatile and convenient, this charger is ideal for your office desk, windowsill, living room, or bedside, providing quick and reliable power wherever you need it. Note, while MagSafe-compatible cases are supported, for optimal performance we recommend charging without a case or using a case designed specifically for MagSafe. Crafted for life on the move, this compact charging station features a foldable, lightweight design that slips effortlessly into any bag, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. It's an ideal gift for those who need reliable power wherever they go, whether working remotely or exploring new places. Equipped with an intelligent chipset, it ensures comprehensive safety protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Trusted by customers for its consistent and reliable performance. At number 3 we have MFI 4-in-1 wireless charging station. Experience next-level charging with this Qi2 certified 3-in-1 wireless charging station designed for Apple devices, delivering true 15 watts fast charging that powers your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes with significantly improved efficiency compared to standard chargers, enhanced by a built-in 3-feet retractable cable that works as both input and output for charging an additional device like an iPad or Android phone while keeping your space clean and organized, featuring a relaxing ambient light with adjustable brightness levels to create the perfect nighttime atmosphere, built as an all-in-one charging solution for iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, iPad, and most USB-C devices, powered by advanced AI intelligent chip technology that optimizes power delivery and provides 360 degrees protection against overheating, overvoltage, and including a powerful 65 watts PD adapter with braided cable plus a 36-month warranty, making it a reliable, durable, and premium charging station for home, office, or travel use. At number 4 we have Indigotech 3-in-1 charging station. Fast wireless charging, powered by Qi 2.2, charge your iPhone 17 Pro Max to 80% in 52 minutes. Includes 45 watts PD adapter for stable power. Half-palm design, fold into 2.64 by 2.64 by 1.97 in and weighs 7.76 ounces, easy to pack in pocket, bag or suitcase for the office, hotels, business trips, and everyday travel. 3-in-1 charging station for Apple devices, fast charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, helps keep desktop, nightstand, and outlets cleaner. Adjustable angle, find any viewing angle you prefer with angle adjustable phone modules. Landscape for watching videos hands-free or portrait for messaging and Face ID. FCC and CE certified, features multiple safeguards and smart heat dissipation, get full 25 watt speed while keeping your battery healthy and safe. At number 5 we have Aresh 3-in-1 charging station. Designed for Samsung users. With this Samsung wireless charging station, you can charge your Galaxy phone, earbuds, and watch at the same time. Reduce cable clutter and keep your desk tidy. The foldable design for the Samsung charger makes it easy to store in your bag or suitcase, whether you're on vacation or traveling for business, enjoying a simpler and more efficient charging experience. The 2026 for Samsung Watch Charger Stand upgrade features a distinctive rotating design with magnetic function, solving problems such as frequent slippage of the watch and insufficient magnetic force. Even with metal watches or heavier watches, your device stays securely in place and offers all-around protect against accidental slippage and falling. Dual-coil design provides a wider charging range in landscape or portrait orientation, charging wireless phones and headphones with protective cases less than 4 mm/0.16 inches thick. However, if there is any problem or defect when you receive it, please feel free to contact us and we will provide a satisfactory solution. At number 6 we have Meifigno 3-in-1 magnetic charger. The cell phone charging area of this 3-in-1 wireless charger supports magnetic charging. Since Samsung phones do not support magnetic charging on their own, please use a magnetic case for charging your Samsung phone with our magnetic wireless charger. Don't recommend using the following types of magnetic cases with our charger. 1. The magnetic case with a thickness greater than or equal to ohm. 2. Magnetic cases with a ring stand or metal ring on the back. 3. Magnetic wallet cases. 4. Magnetic battery cases. 5. Non-magnetic cases with a metal magnetic ring attached to the back. This 3-in-1 charger stand compatible with MagSafe has a rotational design for the Samsung Galaxy Watch charging stand. The watch charging position is upgraded to 2 charging methods, vertical charging and horizontal charging. It can be rotated by 55 degrees to achieve the horizontal charging. With this new function, you can rotate the watch charging stand according to your needs to get the best charging experience. At number 7 we have KPON 3-in-1 charging station. Designed specifically for Apple devices, the MagSafe charging station is capable of charging an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Say goodbye to the hassle of finding enough outlets and untangling messy cables, keeping your space tidy. Equipped with a high-efficiency chip, the wireless charging station can fully charge an iPhone 15 Pro in just 2 hours and 23 minutes. The charger's body features multiple ventilation holes for efficient heat dissipation, effectively alleviating overheating during wireless charging. The 3-in-1 charging station for MagSafe has a compact in design with exquisite craftsmanship. It can be folded 180 degrees into a wireless charging pad, easy storage in your bag, no extra cords. Light minimalist design is great for fast packing or travel. This magnetic 3-in-1 charger stand features upgraded magnets for stable inductive charging. With N52 strength magnetic adhesion, it securely holds your phone. The rubber anti-slip pads on the bottom allow for easy angle adjustments, perfect for selfies or watching videos in landscape mode. At number 8 we have Lamicall 3-in-1 charging station. Simplify travel and daily charging with this foldable 3-in-1 wireless charging station designed as the ultimate compact solution, collapsing to the size of 2 decks of cards and weighing only 6.8 ounces for easy portability in bags, pockets, or carry-ons, enhanced with an advanced cooling system featuring a temperature-controlled chip and heat-dissipating metal base that reduces operating temperatures by 30% for improved durability and long-term reliability, equipped with powerful N52 magnets that instantly align compatible iPhone 12 to 17 series devices for secure and efficient MagSafe charging while supporting standby mode in both portrait and landscape orientations. Designed with a sleep-friendly no-glow setup where indicator lights automatically turn off after 5 seconds to avoid nighttime distractions, complemented by non-slip pads for stable placement on desks or nightstands, compatible with iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods wireless charging cases for a complete charging solution, and including a 59-inch USB-C cable and instruction manual for convenient setup and everyday use. At number 9 we have Anker Prime 3-in-1 charging station. 25 watts Qi 2.2 ultra-fast MagSafe charging delivers up to 25 watts of magnetic wireless charging with Qi 2.2 technology. Charges iPhone 17 Pro to 50% in 26 minutes, up to 5 times faster than standard 5 watts wireless chargers. About the same as an iPhone 17 Pro Max. It folds flat for easy packing when traveling to hotels or offices. This is a wall-powered wireless charger, not a power bank. Whisper Quiet Air Cool. The advanced air cool system operates at just 19 decibels and helps keep your phone below 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit during charging. It delivers up to 25 watts of power while protecting your battery's health. 3-in-1 charging convenience. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It also works as an adjustable stand for comfortable viewing during charging. What you get: Anker Prime wireless charging station, 3-in-1, MagGo, Air Cool, foldable, 45 watts USB-C charger, 5 feet USB-C to USB-C cable, 2x anti-slip watch stickers, welcome guide, 24-month warranty, and our friendly customer service. At number 10 we have Belkin 3-in-1 charging station. Conveniently fast charge your iPhone or Qi 2 devices up to 25 watts on the magnetic charger. Fast charging is supported only on iOS 26 and newer, not iOS 18. MagSafe compatible for up to 5x faster wireless charging. With wireless charging now as fast as wired, you can charge iPhone from 0 to 50% in 25 minutes and Apple Watch Series 10 from 0 to 80% in 45 minutes. Also, charge AirPods up to 5 watts while charging your other devices. Wirelessly charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time to quickly and conveniently prepare for your next adventure. Magnetic alignment easily snaps your phone in place for perfect charging. Built-in chill boost keeps the dock up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit cooler during high-speed charging. A quiet smart fan with on/off switch auto-adjusts by temperature and runs only with the device attached. Crafted with a weighted chrome base for stability and soft-touch silicone that complements any home or office space. Designed to blend seamlessly with modern interiors.